Hey there, in this video, I'm going to show you how to invert colors in the Lightroom. Okay, you know the negative photos that we take, like it's in like a weird color that doesn't have that much of vibrancy and stuff. So you want to convert that, invert those colors and bring it back to more like natural. Then you've come to a right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to invert those colors in the Lightroom. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. Let's tap into the app itself. And okay, let's use this negative photo, which is over here. Let's use this one. So let's say you want to convert this photo right here. You want to invert the colors. It's actually quite simple. There's not much thing to do. You have to work with the curve right here. So as you can see at the bottom corner, you have to go to the light option, and at the very top there is at the corner you can see an option that says curve. Let's tap into that, and what you have to do is, since we have to work with this curve, since this is like invert color, means it's actually opposite of what the vibrancy and like natural colors, so we have to make like opposite of this, right? So all we have to do is make this curve opposite side. So you know what's happening right here, like it's way better. Like I think it has come back to the natural form. And for reference, what I'm trying to show you guys is in this picture. Okay, this was the picture before. Let me take it back to what it was before. So as you can see in this picture, there are different photos, right? So this photo in the left corner, it's actually a natural form picture, and the main image, like the bigger image, it is in negative. So while editing this photo, while inverting the colors, you have the idea of how the colors are becoming opposite. Like if I'm turning the negative photo into I'm inverting colors of negative photo, then the natural photo will turn into a negative photo. So I don't know if you get it or not. I hope you get it. But okay, let's do that. You know what, it happened. So we're gonna go back, and we're gonna go back to color. So remember, okay, you know what, let's go back to the light. So remember that in this photo, what we're going to do is we're going to invert, right? So make it opposite. Since we're going to make it opposite, we want this to be more like a dark exposure. We're going to brighten the exposure, right? So it's gonna come opposite. So we're going to make it more exposure, more brighter. It's gonna come out as like more dark exposure. So let's keep it here. And contrast, maybe minus the contrast. And highlights is gonna be also like plus. Let's make the shadows more like, okay, since it's opposite, let's make it more like here. And yeah, let's not touch the white and black part, and let's go to color. I want it more to be like cool toned. So let's bring it back to warm tone. And this tint over here, vibrancy, I want to make it more vibrant, so let's put it minus, since it's gonna come like opposite. So saturation also, let's not touch this blur part. Effects is okay, let's check it out first. Okay, let's go back and let's go to light and go to curve, and let's check this out. So can you see it? It's much better, right? So the photo that was like in normal form before has gone to negative, and the actual image which was in the negative form has inverted its color. Like, can you see the difference? Like this photo is the perfect example to show you guys how to invert the colors. So if you want, you can go ahead, play around with all those edit, like you can add more details like here, and like the effects, like more texture. As you can see, it doesn't have that much of like detailings and stuff. You can go ahead, you can go back to the like tint, make it more like this. Can you see what's happening right here? Like